How long do you think it takes to replace an entire bridge, build a fully functional hospital, or put up a 57-story skyscraper? 2 years? 3 years? Maybe even longer? In China, the answer is very different. 43 hours, 10 days, 19 days. This isn't science fiction. This is China's speed, happening in real life. Today, we're counting down 10 incredible projects that push the limits of human engineering and taking a look at how this so-called infrastructure powerhouse keeps breaking those limits again and again. Number 10. Beijing Sanyuan Bridge Overall Girder Replacement Project. In November 2015, the Sanyuan Bridge, a core transportation hub on Beijing's Northeast 3rd Ring Road, launched its main girder overall replacement. As a traffic artery with over 200,000 vehicles passing through daily, traditional segmented reconstruction would take 3 months, leading to long-term paralysis of regional traffic. Chinese engineers innovatively adopted the integral hauling, synchronous jacking, precise girder placement solution, controlling the error to the millimeter level. More than 1,300 builders and dozens of large-scale equipment worked in perfect coordination. The old girder was moved out as a whole, and the new girder was put in place in one go, while road surface restoration and signal debugging were completed simultaneously. The entire project took only 43 hours, and traffic resumed 7 hours ahead of schedule. The British Daily Mail reported it in a full-page article, exclaiming that China completed in 43 hours what would take Britain 3 years. Replacing the heart of an overpass in 43 hours is not magic. It's a miracle of efficiency forged by Chinese engineers with wisdom and sweat. Number 9. Changsha Sky City. In 2015, a 200-meter-tall, 57-story building in Changsha completely rewrote people's understanding of construction speed. This is Sky City. From the start of assembly to the topping out of the main structure, it took only 19 days. It sounds like an exaggeration, but it's absolutely real. The construction site looked more like an assembly line. Floor by floor, the building grew at an almost factory-like pace. On average, 3 floors were built every day, a speed that can only be described as terrifying. According to traditional construction methods, such a project would take at least 2 years, and countless experts declared it an impossible task. But the facts proved the skeptics wrong. Sky City adopted the sustainable building technology independently developed by Broad Group, with 93% of the components prefabricated in factories to millimeter-level precision. This building blocks construction method completely revolutionized the traditional construction industry. Going from flat ground to the clouds in 19 days created the world record for the fastest construction of a high-rise building. This is not just about speed, it's a revolution in industrialized construction. Number 8. Fujian Longyan Railway Station Major Renovation. The railway system has an almost untouchable bottom line. It cannot stop. But in Longyan, Fujian, China, a fully operational railway station completed a large-scale renovation without disrupting normal services. In January 2018, to connect the new railway line and avoid affecting the upcoming Spring Festival travel rush, 1,500 railway builders had to complete all works, including line connection, signal switching, and platform renovation in less than 9 hours. Construction started at 18:30 that evening and ended at 3 o'clock the next morning, taking a total of 8.5 hours. 1,500 workers and hundreds of machines were divided into dozens of professional teams, working simultaneously on a 15,000 square meter operation area. The site was brightly lit, and all trades worked closely together like a precisely running machine. At 3:30 a.m. the next day, all construction tasks were successfully completed. At 6:20 a.m., the first bullet train passed through on time, as if nothing had ever changed. This late-night minimally invasive surgery created a new world record for railway renovation speed. Number 7. Highway Number 1 Cylindrical FPSO. Building large-scale offshore oil equipment is already an extremely difficult engineering challenge. Highway Number 1 Inch is Asia's first cylindrical FPSO, floating production storage and offloading unit, independently designed and built by China, and also the world's first cylindrical FPSO with self-propulsion capability. Its structural complexity far exceeds that of traditional ship types. The entire structure weighs tens of thousands of tons and requires precise installation at sea. And the marine environment is uncontrollable. Wind, waves, fluid dynamics. Every variable amplifies the construction difficulty. But through modular construction, parallel operations, and high-precision hoisting systems, multiple key links were advanced simultaneously. This means that projects no longer proceed in sequence, but explode in parallel. This model is changing the rhythm of offshore engineering. This 30-story tall offshore oil and gas processing plant took only 28 months to complete the entire process from design to delivery, creating the world record for the shortest construction cycle of the same type of equipment. Number 6. Nanchang Changsha UHV Power Transmission and Transformation Project. Power engineering usually means a long construction cycle. But in China, a UHV power transmission and transformation project compressed this cycle to the extreme. This is the Nanchang Changsha 1000 kV UHV AC project. It consists of 682 kilometers of double-circuit lines and 1,002 newly built towers, spanning Jiangxi and Hunan provinces. Conventionally, such a large-scale project would take at least 18 months, even 2 years. But the Nanchang Changsha project was put into operation in only 10 months. 20,000 builders, nearly 1,000 towers, and hundreds of operation surfaces were deployed simultaneously. All processes were compressed, overlapped, and advanced in parallel. Factory prefabrication and on-site construction were carried out simultaneously, like a precisely running machine where every gear meshes perfectly in 10 months. It created a world record for UHV construction. When clean electricity from northwest China rushes to central China at the speed of 300,000 kilometers per second, lighting up thousands of homes, you will understand. Some speeds exist to break the impossible. Number 5. West Artificial Island of Shenzhen Zhongshan Link. Building an artificial island at sea is already a mega project. But the West Artificial Island of the Shenzhen Zhongshan Link compressed the time to an extreme level. The Shenzhen Zhongshan Link is the core transportation hub of the Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macau Greater Bay Area and the West Artificial Island, as its key control project covers a total area of 137,000 square meters, equivalent to 19 standard football fields. If the traditional rock reclamation technology was used, it would take at least 2 to 3 years and cause serious damage to the marine ecosystem. Chinese engineers pioneered the giant steel cylinder rapid island formation technology, using 57 steel cylinders with a diameter of 28 meters, a height of 40 meters, and a weight of over 500 tons each. These giant steel anchors were integrally manufactured in factories, transported to the site, and accurately sunk into the seabed by 10,000-ton cranes, quickly forming a stable island body. Sand and gravel were then filled inside the steel cylinders to form a solid island wall. The entire island formation process took only 8 months, achieving the goal of starting construction and completing the island in the same year, shortening the construction period by more than 2 years while minimizing the impact on the marine environment. This technology not only greatly accelerated the project, but also created a new construction method for cross-sea projects worldwide that in 8 months. A maritime city rose from nothing, laying a solid foundation for this world-class cross-sea channel. Number 4. Chongming Taicang Yangtze River Tunnel. How hard is it to dig a tunnel dozens of kilometers long under the Yangtze River? The Chongming Taicang Yangtze River Tunnel is exactly such a project. It connects Chongming district of Shanghai and Taicang city of Jiangsu province, with a total length of over 14 kilometers, most of which is underwater. Facing huge water pressure, complex geology, and an environment with no room for error, how to dig became the biggest challenge. The engineer's answer was a thinking steel dragon, the Navigator's shield machine. This giant machine, with a cutter head diameter of 15.4 meters and a weight of 4,000 tons, set off from Chongming and plunged 89 meters deep into the bottom of the Yangtze River. In 23 months, it completed the 11.3-kilometer underwater journey. It set a world record for 15-meter class large-diameter shield machines with a maximum monthly advance of 718 meters and an average monthly advance of 600 meters. The speed of this tunnel is not the shocking kind that finishes in a few days. Its speed lies in its stable progress in a high-risk environment, completing the breakthrough in less than 2 years. Number 3. Xiamen Hoshi Long Distance Bus Station Relocation Project. Moving an entire building sounds hard enough. But what if the building weighs 30,000 tons and is 288 meters long? And that's not all. It has to make a 90-degree turn while moving, without spilling a single cup of water inside, breaking a single piece of glass, or damaging any decoration. In 2019, the Xiamen Hoshi Long Distance Bus Station took on this seemingly impossible task. Why? Because the new Fuzhou Xiamen high-speed railway had to pass through this location, and demolishing and rebuilding this newly built station would take 2 years and cost hundreds of millions of yuan. The engineers came up with an even crazier idea. Make the building move away. More than 500 mechanical feet supported this 4-story building, stepping forward synchronously like a person walking. In 38 days, the building moved an average of 7.5 meters per day. You might think that's slow, but remember, this is a 30,000-ton giant that in the end. The building completed its 90-degree turn and landed steadily at the new site. The most magical scene was, from a distance, this huge monster seemed to be floating on the ground, like a scene from a science fiction movie. Number 2. Wuhan Leishanshan Hospital. In early 2020, the sudden COVID-19 pandemic hit Wuhan, pushing the city's medical resources to the brink of collapse. Wuhan Leishanshan Hospital was launched in this context. On January 25th, the first day of the Lunar New Year, Leishanshan Hospital officially started construction. Tens of thousands of builders came from all over the country to join this battle for life. More than 2,000 pieces of equipment roared day and night at the construction site, working 24 hours nonstop. From groundbreaking to delivery, it took only 12 days. A hospital with a total construction area of 75,000 square meters rose from the ground, with 32 wards, 1,600 beds, and complete negative pressure wards, ICUs, and operating rooms. This is not industrial speed. This is human speed. The speed of 13,000 ordinary people fighting the virus with their flesh and blood. Number 1. Wuhan Huashinshan Hospital. If Leishanshan was a systematic replication, then Huashinshan was the first extreme verification. 10 days. That's how long it took to build a complete hospital from scratch. Tens of millions of netizens watched the construction online, making everyone witness this race against death. From site leveling to foundation construction, from steel structure erection to medical equipment installation, every link was a race against time. After 10 days and 10 nights, Wuhan Huashinshan Hospital, with a total construction area of 33,900 square meters and 1,000 beds, was fully delivered. It may not be the most beautiful building, but it was definitely the most important building of 2020. This is the pinnacle of China speed, and also a monument to the human spirit. China speed is not a miracle. It is writing responsibility and dedication into every minute and second of the construction schedule that in the future. More super projects will be launched one after another. The story of the infrastructure maniac has only just begun. If you're blown away by this China speed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.